I want us to discuss something important today, and that is on make money online quickly syndrome. Yes, it's becoming a problem because so many people are carrying a lot of information on the internet. One will tell you make $1,000 in 5 minutes. The other one will tell you make $20,000 in 2 days. Come on, who does that? Who does that? So it's becoming a problem. Recently, I had a story of a young man that quitted his job because he had that there is a lot of money on YouTube, and he have seen so many proofs, and he decided to quit his job and insulted his manager, and then said he wants to start YouTube. Now, when the young man came to YouTube, he published some posts. Some of the posts did not even get any view in 28 hours. In 48 hours, no view. 3 days, 4 days, no views. And the young man became worried. What is going on? Right now, as I'm talking to you from the news, the young man is frustrated. Some people show you the results without telling you what they passed through in the past. A lot of people grinded on YouTube for more than 2 years before they could make $300 in a month. Yes, it's a real fact. Some even grinded for 2 years without anything because they did not have the appropriate information on how to excel in that particular profession. So don't be deceived. It's not as if there is no money on the internet. There's money on the internet. There's money online. I have been there. In fact, I'm still there because I'm still making money. I've done $1,500 in a month. I've done almost $2,000 in a month on the internet. Okay? But the fact is, the way some of these bad guys present it, because I call them bad guys because they are bad guys. They present it as if everything is so easy. It's not so easy, man. You have to take your time. There are some things you need to put in place. There are some things you need to know. I saw a post some time ago, a YouTube content some time ago, telling people make $50 in a minute in Amazon, in Google News. Google News. What is Google News? It's just kind of blogging. And we know that if you have been a blogger before, it's not easy to make money on blogging. It takes time before the search engine will discover who you are. Amazon, Google will index your site. Bing will index your site, and so many others. It takes time, at least 1 year, before you start seeing results. And another thing is the kind of content you are creating. What type of titles or niche are you focusing on? That's another factor. Otherwise, you will not make money on blogging. So I want to clear this, please. Don't leave your job that is fetching you money and come over to the internet because you want to make money quickly. No, you don't make money quickly on the internet. It takes you time. And I'm going to tell you what you need to do. First is discover a platform you want to focus on and learn what works on that platform. If you want to go into Amazon KDP, for example, you get to Amazon KDP, find out the kind of books that sell well. I have a video on this channel about that. Find out the books that when you publish, you can make money from them. And you need to be patient too. Yes, you need to be patient because it will take you time to write a book, at least 3 weeks or even a month, depending on how informed are you in that particular niche you want to focus on. Okay, it takes you time. After you finish writing, you edit your work before you post. So you see that this is a lot of work. So it's not as they present it on the internet that you do this, you make some amount of money, you do this one, you make some amount of money. No, Then after you write that book, if it doesn't do well, you write another one. Then it take you time to study. Okay, with time, maybe after 1 year or 8 months, you understand this is what works and this is what do not work. Unless if you have a coach that coach you in that area. Okay, but in general, there is no fast way to make money online. It can be in that your 9 to 5 job and still be doing all these things. With time, you grow. I was running my own 9 to 5 job before I decided to quit to focus fully on online. Okay, so it takes time. Please don't rush it. If you want to go into YouTube, YouTube can even take you up to a year and 6 months before you start seeing something. So I'm here to clear you, to give you the information you need to know, so that nobody out there will be deceived. Will deceive you again with all those kind of posts. It doesn't work. I'm being plain to you. I'm being real to you. I'm giving you the information as it's supposed to be, as it is. Okay? Don't come here tomorrow. Maybe you went out there and you saw somebody riding good car. I'll be like, oh, this guy is an online guy. He makes a lot of money online. Don't be captured with that. Ask him the real thing. Some of them have grinded on the internet for more than 6 years, 7 years, 8 years before they started seeing results. There is money, but you need to work. You need to be patient. Take, for example, this YouTube. If you're not patient, you cannot do the job. That's the truth. You cannot make money on this platform if you are not patient. Because at the beginning, YouTube will ignore you. There will even be, it will behave as if it doesn't even know you exist. But if you understand the game, if you understand the real information, you know that that is the testing stage. You need to be steadfast. You need to keep on pushing until the system announces you, notices that you're existing. Many people have quitted easily because they didn't understand the trick and the tips inside. So any platform you find yourself, take your time to understand what's there. Okay? Then you make money with time. You can even stay up to 8 months, 1 year, a year and 6 months before you start seeing money. So don't rush it. Forget about get quick rich online syndrome anywhere on the internet. It will not help you, okay? Another information you need to take from me is focusing on one and develop in that place. If you want to go into print on demand, designs, or you want to go into Fiverr, or you want to go to YouTube, into YouTube content creation, or into self-publishing on Amazon, KDP, Apple Books, and the rest, just focus on one at once. I was in self-publishing for more than 7 years before. So when you spend much time in that particular area, in that particular platform, you will understand what works. So even when you are leaving that platform to another platform, the other platform is still bringing you money because you now know the tricks and the tips on how to succeed there. Okay, so stop jumping from one place to another, from one platform to another. It will not help you. By the time you try to gather everything, you end up losing everything. So focus on one, develop there, build your money there. Okay, before you think of moving to anywhere. Forget about all these things you see on the YouTube. Somebody will come and tell you should make $20 in 2 minutes. Make $30 in 3 minutes. He will give you his or her own tips. Then you forget the one you are bidding on and run into that one. You are being distracted. Don't get distracted. Okay, finish with one before you go into another. All right, so that's the message. Some can even come and tell you that you should make money playing games, or you should make money going to some sites to vote. I've been there. Some of them will even tell you to come and vote for their products. You go there and vote. At the end, they'll tell you that they have given you $50. But before you can withdraw the $50, you have to get up to $100. I did all these things when I was an undergraduate. So now you forget your $50 because you know there's not how you get up to $100. So it's a problem. So please focus on one and develop yourself. Understand what works there. Understand your audience, and you will make money in return. Okay. So that is all I have for you. Stop looking for get quick rich syndrome stuffs on the internet. Okay, plan yourself and you will make money while being patient in where you want to specialize on. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Here we discuss more on technology, self-publishing, and YouTube education, and also some helpful tips that will help you grow in life. So if you find this guide helpful, please subscribe, okay, so that you learn one or two things in the area of technology. Hit that like button for me before you leave this video. It's very important. Please hit it. Just hit it, please. It will not take anything, okay? This will make YouTube to share this video to more people that need this information. Please, okay? Hit it before leaving, okay? Then leave a comment. Let me know what you have to say about this. If you have had this kind of experience before, drop it in the comment section. I want to hear your own experience. I want to hear your own part of the story. Okay, it will motivate me also, or it can even motivate somebody in it that will come to the comment section to see what people are saying about this kind of topic. All right, thank you and see you some other time. Peace.